Well, g'day everyone. It's Craig Willoughby from Skyview Aerial Photography. Well, normally you see me, I'm either flying a plane or I'm flying a helicopter. Well, today we're on the ground. I thought I'd show you around a little outback town that I've been doing a bit of work out here for, doing all the drone work, all the ground photography, all the ground video. We're out here in a little country town called Lightning Ridge in Outback, New South Wales. If you've never been here, it's a place to come and visit. But I also love doing my four-wheel driving. So I've brought across the Land Cruiser and we're out here on assignment covering construction of a new project in Outback, New South Wales. As you can see behind me, this is the backdrop. This is what you call Australia. We are today at Lightning Ridge. If you've never been here, it's an eclectic place where they used to find opals. They still do from time to time. Come walk about and come have a look and you can see what Lightning Ridge is all about. Well, I'm sure you don't want to see my face anymore, so I might as well just walk you through it. This is a yellow door. In fact, Lightning has 3 doors. They're tourist drives you can go and explore around the opal fields of Lightning Ridge. You have the yellow door, you have the red door, and you have the green door. Takes about maybe 2 or 3 hours to get around it all. It's all numbered. If you go to the local visitor centre, they'll give you a mug map. Fact for you. Did you know originally Lightning Ridge was called Nettleton's Hill because Charles Nettleton discovered the opals in the district in 1902. Later on, it was called Warrangullah. World War I, they renamed it Lightning Ridge. It's claimed that the name dates back to the 1870s when a farmer, his dog and about 600 sheep were killed by lightning. It's almost certainly to be an outback myth. For me to go, and it's time for me to get back out there. So I hope this spurs you on to go and do your own adventure, and I look forward to seeing you all out and about in our great land of ours. Have a wonderful time. Thanks for watching. Uru.